Hello everybody. Duino Coin Miner 3.0 version increased hash rate of Arduino UNO mining. In this video I will install and run Duino Coin 3.0 miner on Arduino UNO board. First I downloaded miner release from Revahara GitHub. In miner folder we can find folder Arduino code folder. Open Arduino_code.ino file with Arduino IDE. Choose your Arduino board. I checked UNO. Choose COM port where Arduino connected. Uploading. After code uploaded, run AVR miner from miner root directory. Enter username of Duino wallet. Choose COM port where connected Arduino. Write rig name if you want. And also you can donate the developer. After this miner starts and we can see that Arduino UNO board performance is 228 kilo hash per second. Same value was in miner documentation. In future we'll check another hardware and I will create my own table with my own values. Subscribe, it will help me to make another videos, may be helpful for somebody's. Thank you for your attention.